Install a pool filter bottle like a pro. Step-by-step guide. Welcome to this comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to install a pool filter bottle like a true professional. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a beginner learning the ropes of pool maintenance, this detailed tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. From understanding the function of a pool filter bottle to executing a flawless installation. Introduction to pool filtration, a clean and healthy. Swimming pool starts with a reliable filtration system. The pool filter bottle is one of the most critical components in keeping the water crystal clear and safe to swim in. It traps dirt, debris, and microscopic particles that would otherwise make your water murky or even harmful to your health. Without proper filtration, no amount of chlorine or pool chemicals can maintain water clarity. That's why knowing how to install your pool filter bottle correctly is essential. What is a pool filter bottle? Before diving into the installation, let's clarify what a pool filter bottle is. Typically, it refers to the cylindrical container that houses the filter media, such as sand, cartridge, or diatomaceous earth, DE. It connects to your pool pump and filter system, circulating water through the media and trapping impurities. Different designs exist depending on your pool setup, but the core function remains the same. Effective water filtration. Tools and materials you'll need. Before you begin the installation process, gather the necessary tools and materials. These may vary depending on the type of filter bottle you're installing, but the basic list includes a new pool filter bottle filter media, sand cartridge or DE PVC pipe or hose for connections, Teflon tape plumbing glue if applicable, adjustable wrench screwdrivers clamps, and fitting safety goggles and gloves. User manual for your specific filter model. Having everything on hand before starting will save time and reduce the chances of making mistakes or having to stop mid-installation. Step 1. Choose the right location. The placement of your pool filter bottle is crucial. You want to install it as close to the pool pump as possible, ideally on level ground with good drainage to prevent flooding. Make sure the area is shaded or protected from direct sunlight to prevent premature aging of plastic components due to UV exposure. Also, ensure there's enough space around the unit for easy maintenance and filter media replacement. If installing indoors, proper ventilation is a must to avoid moisture buildup. Step 2. Prepare the site. Now that you've selected your installation site, prepare the ground. Clear the area of debris, rocks, or grass. If you're installing the bottle on a concrete pad, make sure it's level and sturdy. For ground installations, consider laying a base of gravel followed by a concrete slab or a durable plastic mat to provide a stable foundation. Use a level to check that your base is even. Uneven installation can lead to strain on the connectors and premature wear. Step 3. Unpack and inspect the filter bottle. Carefully unpack your filter bottle from its box. Inspect it thoroughly for cracks, missing parts, or damage during shipping. Read through the user manual provided by the manufacturer. Even if you're confident with installation procedures, each model may have slight variations that are crucial for a proper setup. If your filter requires assembly, some bottles come with pre-attached components while others don't. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines to attach handles, pressure gauges, drain plugs, and valves. Advanced tips for professional installation. Now that you've completed the basic installation, it's time to explore some advanced techniques and tips used by seasoned professionals. These can help extend the lifespan of your equipment, increase efficiency, and reduce maintenance costs over time. Use unions in your plumbing. Professional installers often include union fittings between major components like the pump, filter bottle, and chlorinator. These allow you to quickly disconnect parts without cutting pipes, making future maintenance much easier. Unions are particularly useful when replacing or cleaning the filter bottle, as you can remove the unit without disturbing the surrounding. Plumbing. 2. Install a pressure relief valve. If your pool system frequently experiences pressure spikes, consider installing a pressure relief valve. This valve automatically opens when pressure exceeds a safe threshold, protecting your filter bottle from bursting or cracking. It's especially recommended in hot climates where water expands rapidly due to high temperatures. Use flow meters. To monitor efficiency, flow meters help monitor the rate of water passing through your filter system. If you notice a drop in flow rate without a corresponding increase in pressure, it could indicate a clog or airlock. Installing a flow meter lets you spot issues before they cause major problems. Protect your filter from weather exposure. 2. Sun, wind, and rain can degrade plastic components over time. Build a small weatherproof enclosure or install a UV-resistant cover over your filter bottle. Make sure there's adequate ventilation to prevent overheating. Some professionals even insulate the pipes and the filter housing to maintain optimal temperature during cold seasons. Understanding your pool filter. Bottle's lifespan. How long will your pool filter bottle last? That depends on the material, the environment, and how well you maintain it. Here's a general breakdown. Plastic filter bottles. 5 to 7 years with good care fiberglass reinforced bottles. 8 to 10 years or more, commercial grade stainless steel. 15+ years. Signs you may need a replacement include cracks or leaks that can't be sealed, consistently high pressure despite cleaning, mold growth inside the housing, persistent cloudiness in pool water. Regular inspection is key. Most pros check the bottle's exterior monthly and open it for a deep clean every season. Enhancing filtration performance. Want even better filtration performance? Consider upgrading your filter media. Sand alternatives like glass beads or zeolite. Filter media offer finer filtration than traditional silica sand. Cartridge filters with pleated, antimicrobial surfaces can last longer and trap finer particles. DE filters are unmatched in clarity. Some models filter down to 1 to 3 microns. Also, ensure proper circulation within the pool. Poor water movement causes dead zones where debris collects. You can improve this by adjusting return jets, brushing pool walls regularly, and using a pool vacuum or robotic cleaner in tandem with your filter. How to backwash your filter, if applicable. Many sand and DE filters require backwashing, a process that reverses water flow to flush out trapped debris. Here's a general guide. Turn off the pump. Move the multi-port valve to backwash. 3. Turn the pump on and run for 2 to 3 minutes, or until water in the sight glass runs clear. Turn off the pump and move valve to rinse. 5. Turn on for 30 seconds to settle the sand. Return valve to filter and resume normal operation. Backwash only when needed, typically when pressure rises 8 to 10 psi above normal. Over backwashing wastes water and can reduce filter efficiency. Seasonal maintenance and winterizing. If you live in a region